Hey guys, how are ya? It's your sister EuniUnni in the house today. I'm going to be sharing skincare tools that are very effective, that have elevated my skincare game. Plus, I'm going to be sharing my personal tips on how to use them to the max. So let's get started. The very first skincare tool I'm going to be talking about are facial sponges. Facial sponges are sponges that are naturally soft, absorbent, gentle, and effective for deep cleansing, and it removes all traces of facial products on the face and neck, including makeup and face masks that are difficult to remove. And actually, they are also really great for super lazy days or, just those drunk nights when you're just too lazy to cleanse. But this tool is going to help you to get your cleansing done quickly yet effectively at the same time. Now, I got these facial sponges after seeing them at my facials at Korean dermatologists or spas, and they have been definitely a life changer. Now, the second skincare tool that probably all you skincare lovers have already at your house are cotton pads. There are so many different types of cotton pads in the market now, and we use them in so many different ways. But let me show you the basic ways plus my special tips as well. So we have just the regular cotton pads first of all. The regular ones are usually used to apply the very first product after cleansing, most likely with toners or essences. This will help to remove any leftover gunk, makeup, sebum off of your skin, so you can think of it as a continual part of your cleansing step. Plus, using your toners with a cotton pad is also great for the following products to absorb better into your skin. For example, you're gonna put on your serums, ampoules, or creams after your toners, right? Those products are gonna absorb much faster and better into your skin. Now let's move on to the sponge type cotton pads. You can use these sponge pads with your toner/essences for DIY sheet masks for the whole face or specific areas you want to hydrate. These sponge type of cotton pads are very special because it actually holds the hydration and spits back out all the products back to your skin so that you don't have to waste any of the products compared to just using regular cotton pads. Now these pads are new from ROVECTIN, and I love using it with my toners to make my own DIY sheet mask. They make sure to hold in the hydration for a long period of time, and they deliver all the goodness back into my skin. They are super gentle so that it can be used for children and babies. Plus, I love the fact that it's biodegradable and it's recycled paper. And they also use soy ink for the print on the box. These small details really make a huge difference when I choose which cotton pads to buy from the sea of cotton pads out there in the market. And that's not all. Using cotton pads is an excellent way to exfoliate skin physically as well. Just by using your toner with your cotton pad, it helps to remove dead skin cells. So this is a great way to exfoliate when you don't have an exfoliator at home. Oh, and by the way, I also have a tip that I love, so let me show you the how-to. First, apply a thick layer of any lotion or cream you have on your vanity. Then massage gently all over your face for about 2 to 3 minutes. This will help to soften and loosen up your dead skin cells on your skin. Then get a cotton pad and get some toner on it and wipe off the moisturizer. This will remove the dead skin cells gently together with the moisturizer. This is a great way to exfoliate your skin physically, but at the same time gently. And I love this method when my skin is just too sensitive to use a chemical exfoliator, or simply when I'm all out of my exfoliators. Now, let's move on to the next skincare tool, and they are mist bottles. Oh yes, baby. You can use any mist bottles that you have lying around the house. Derek actually bought this one for me to water my plants and water my flowers, but I tried it on my face and it's a whole new level of mist bottle, baby. I love how luxurious and fine it sprays the water content. And let me show you tips on how I use this mist bottle. First, I use my mist bottle after using a clay mask or any type of wash-off mask that dries up on your skin. If you try to remove the mask right away, it can irritate your skin, and it's really difficult to remove. So what you want to do is mist the water all over your face, then gently massage your face. Don't rub it too harshly, but think of it as actually you're massaging in the mask deep into your skin and deep into your pores. You will be able to remove the mask off gently while making sure to let the mask fully soak into your pores and suck out all the sebum, gunk with your clay mask. And also you'll be soaking in all the good ingredients deep within your skin. Then all you need to do is rinse off with water. Oh, by the way, you can also use the facial sponges at this step. The facial sponges work amazingly to wipe off clay masks as well. Alright, so moving on to the next tip. I am sure that you beauty gurus already know this tip and you're actually doing this at home, I'm pretty sure. But for those of you that might not know, you can add your favorite toners or essences in your mist bottles and use it as a mist. This is a great tip for the summertime especially. It feels so good and you can keep your skin hydrated throughout the whole day. Now let's move on to bubble makers. I've actually shared this tip in my glass body skin video and it got a lot of love and a lot of comments. So thank you guys so much. If you haven't seen that video yet, click on the right top. Oh yes, after this video though, don't go now. Now this bubble maker is amazing. All you have to do is add in a watery texture toner or an essence and it creates really full, voluptuous, thick bubbles. I love doing this because once your toner is in this bubble type of form, it soaks into your skin much faster, maximizing the absorption rate of the product for your skin. Plus, I love popping it in the fridge and I use it as a quick skin calming bubble mask to calm my skin after my shower and it feels so good. However, it was difficult to find a site that ships overseas, so I will try to find some links and link them in the description below. Now, let's move on to the pumping type of bubble makers. This one is much easier to find in the market. You can easily get it on Amazon or eBay. This bubble maker is amazing to create bubbles for your cleansing step. All you have to do is add a small amount of your cleanser, then add some water. There's a little mark in the back actually that shows how much water you should put in. And all you gotta do is pump it up. Bump it up. That's all you need to do. It's really simple, isn't it? There are certain cleansers that don't foam up as much, so it's really good to use this because you can save a huge amount of the product. Plus, the thick bubbles can help to thoroughly soak into your pores and cleanse your skin more thoroughly, giving you that deep cleansing effect. And oh my gosh, the bubbles are just so lovely. It feels so good every time I do this. Just pump it up. Now, another tip that I love for the days I really want to deep cleanse all the sebum, gunk out of my pores, or for those days where fine dust and yellow dust is really bad, I cleanse my skin by adding a little amount of my cleanser plus a little amount of clay mask and I bump it up. I bump it up again. Yes, that's what I do. Yes, and this is an easy yet effective way to cleanse skin and your pores and making sure that you deep cleanse your skin. So once again, this type of bubble maker is really easy to get in the market, so I will link some in the description below. Alright guys, I hope you found these tools and tips helpful. It will mean so much if you can like this video, subscribe, yes, because the algorithm on YouTube spreads it out more and things like that. And I will leave all the links for the products and tools in the description below. And by the way, don't forget that my curated summer box with Wish Trend is out and the discount rate is really high, 44%. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, there's free gifts, free global shipping, so check the description below. Thank you guys so much and I will see you in the next video. I love you, my unicorns. Bye!